Hey guys, we are back to part 2 of our lip swatch and declutter, so let's just get straight into it because I got so many to go through. Who knew that I had this many lip products, honestly? But I honestly feel like this is going to end up being like, I don't know, like 20 part series. Also, don't mind my makeup today. I don't know what happened. I used like the e.l.f. Camo CC like cream again, and I just don't think it's for me. I keep trying it out because I'm like, surely I'm missing something. Like, I feel like a lot of people really like it, but I don't know. I just don't. So maybe it's me. I don't know. Let's just start. Let's just get into it. So first I have the Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick. This one is in You Glow Girl, and I think this one's actually like fairly new. I only got it kind of recently. I say recently, it was like, you know, within like the least like last 2 years. And like, look at this on my nose. Like, I feel like I'm just not looking good today, but I feel bad because this one's not very old, but just isn't like, I feel like it's just not my shade. So I'm gonna declutter that. Let's hope we don't make as much of a mess this time. My nose just looks so ugly right now. I don't know why my nose just seems to hate makeup so much. Another Kylie, we have Kristen. This one's quite old, I think. So try her on. Oh, I do love the smell of the Kylie. I still don't know if this is my shade. It's definitely nicer than the one before. I think I like this one. Keep. Do you guys remember when the Kylie lip kits were literally like all the rage, you know? I cannot wait until we get to glosses, because glosses, I feel like, I'm hoping anyway, is going to be so much easier to take off than these stupid matte lipsticks. But anyway, there's got to be an easier way. I don't know what I was thinking when I was like, yeah, I'm going to swatch every single lip product I own. We'll try and get most of these Kylie ones out of the way. The next one I have here is called Hollyberry. This is like a really old one from like a holiday collection 1 year. This is really pretty. I already know I'm going to keep that, so I'm going to only apply half. But yeah, I remember when Kylie used to come out with collections and like they were always like so highly like sought after, and you know, you'd set your alarm and then they'd be like sold out within like, you know, a minute. The makeup space just isn't like that these days. I don't know. A lot of collections used to be like that though. Like, you'd have to wake up ridiculous hours of the morning. At least I would, because I'm in Australia and I feel like all the releases always happen like internationally. So, you know, it'd at least like 8 a.m. on the other side of the world, so I'd have to get up at like 3 a.m. But you had to be if you wanted to get the makeup collections. My lips look bruised. They're not. Okay. Oh gosh. This is Angel from Kylie Cosmetics. This is like another holiday collection one. Like I don't know if they still have these shades or... This is a really nice shade. How pretty is that? That's lovely. I actually really enjoy that. It's like a race to get them off before they set down like too much. Another from Kylie. This is Wish You Were Here. Wow, I do not even remember this one. I didn't know that I had like so many Kylie lipsticks, but anyway. I feel like this one's quite pretty as well. I don't know if it matches me though. I quite like it. It might be like a little bit... It might not match me like too well, but my poor lips are gonna hate me. You gotta do what you gotta do. You know? The micellar water I have is like the oily one. It's like water in oil. So I just got like a big thing of like oil in my mouth. Okay, we have this Colourpop Just a Tint, which I'm not even gonna put on my lips because I know that I'm gonna get rid of it. It's in Just Because, and it's a beautiful shade. But like, I think I talked about it last time. Like, I don't mind these, like they're nice, but if I was going to go for something like just a tint, like I'd use like a lip oil or something like that, you know, like, or like a balm, or I don't know. This is another Kylie and Coco Cosmetics one. I mean, this was like the Coco line that Kylie did when she was with Kourtney Kardashian. Such a stunning shade, but I feel like it needs to go in the bin. So old. It's in Gorge. I'm going to keep it. It's so pretty. It is really pretty, but I do fear that next time we do one of these, I'm going to have to throw it out because it's so old. This is one from XO Beauty. This is in Strangers. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It's a really pretty shade, but It actually stinks. And it did not used to smell like that. So I'm going to put that in the bin because I think that might be a bit off. Which is a shame. It's actually really pretty good. But, ugh. Yuck. It tastes real bad. I should have smelled it before I put it on my lips. Whoops. Oopsies. I honestly got a taste of like a bit like curry powder or something. I don't know. But anyway. This is the Soph. This is the like Revolution X Soph in syrup. It's like a bullet lipstick. I low-key kind of like it, but it doesn't suit me, I don't think. So I'm going to get rid of that. Yuck. I really can't get that taste out of my mouth. This is the Glam Light liquid lipstick in rum. I don't think you can get this one anymore either. It was part of like the cocktail hour collection or something. It's not really for me. These kind of like orangey peachy shades just don't really suit me. I'd like to be able to pull them off, but I just can't, so I'm going to get rid of that one too. This is the Glam Light and Scooby-Doo lipstick. This one's in the shade Jeepers Creepers. I can't tell. I think it'll look really nice with some lip liner, so I'm going to keep it for now. Okay, another one from XO Beauty. This one's a bullet lipstick, and it's in Wabi Sabi. That smells kind of like plastic. I'm not going to swatch on my lips just because, yeah. I'm going to throw that one out anyway. It's such a cool shade, but I feel like you can see it's like swatching a bit weird and it's super old. I would have got it around the same time as the other ones, so yeah. But I did really like the XO Beauty lip products. I actually need to get some of their new ones, to be honest. I haven't got anything from XO Beauty in a while. The last thing I got was like the wedding collection. This is the Morphe lipstick in Sweet Tea. Like, it is a pretty shade, but I'm gonna get rid of it once again. I actually loved these so much. These are the Revolution Pro. They were called like the Natural Nudes or something like that. I don't know. It's some wick collection, but I used to love these. So the first one is called Vamped. They were actually so good. The only bad thing about them is their packaging is munted. Just making sure. I feel like I've got like trust issues now. So this is Vamped. It's actually so pretty. I look ridiculous, I know. I'm gonna keep that one for now. Hee. I don't even care. I am. My lips are starting to like cry a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And I was planning on filming like two installments of these tonight, so I'm kind of like I have so much oil in my mouth, it's gross. I'm just gonna pretend we don't have all that there. Next we had Cashmere. Oh, I think this one was like my favourite. The packaging is so annoying, but I feel like it'll look nice with a lip liner underneath. I'm gonna keep it. Let's reapply some foundation because we're starting to look a little bit queasy. I'm feeling very chav right now, you know. Anyway. Okay, we've got another one. This one's called Stiletto. Oh my god, the packaging! It makes me want to throw them out just because of how annoying the packaging is, but it's like a really pretty like pinky kind of red. I'm going to keep it for now. I don't think it suits me that much, but I want them like for like Halloween and stuff like that, you know. This is from Colourpop. This is the Colourpop Luxe Velvet in Get Money. It's not for me. It's not my shade. Really like unique though. I feel like it's like a burnt orange type of, you know. Okay, so I am gonna call this video here because my lips are literally on fire. I don't know what's happened tonight. I'm telling you it's all the Kylie Cosmetics ones because they are so mad. But let's do a little quick recap. I'm gonna try and get some more done, but I feel like it's just not worth it. Like, I don't want to wake up tomorrow and my lips are burnt off, you know? Especially because I've got work tomorrow and I work as a receptionist, so if I go to work with like swollen lips, I feel like. So we got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's not too bad. And then I kept 1, 2, 3. I kept 9. So overall, not too bad. I was hoping to get through at least like 20 lipsticks, but yeah. Anyway, that was part 2. So I will see you guys in the next part. Bye.